Change your life. Make money online tutoring. Ever wondered how you can turn your knowledge into cash from the comfort of your home? In this video, we'll explore online tutoring as a flexible and profitable income source. Get ready to unlock your potential and transform lives. Picture the typical 9-to-5 grind, where you're confined to an office and a rigid schedule. Many dream of escaping this routine to find a more flexible and rewarding way to earn money. Online tutoring offers a promising alternative. Imagine leveraging your expertise to help others while earning money on your own terms. Online tutoring can be your gateway to financial freedom and personal satisfaction. It's time to consider turning your skills into a thriving online tutoring career. It's natural to feel hesitant about starting something new. You might wonder if you have the necessary skills or if anyone would want to learn from you. Overcoming these doubts is the first step toward achieving your online tutoring goals. My journey began when I met a successful online tutor who shared their experiences and insights. Their story inspired me to take the plunge. Learning from those who have already succeeded can provide valuable guidance and motivation on your own path. The initial steps to start online tutoring involve setting up profiles on reputable platforms like VIPKid, Chegg, or Tutor.com. Crafting a compelling profile that highlights your qualifications and teaching experience is crucial. This helps attract potential students and establishes your credibility. Early challenges often include finding clients, setting competitive rates, and managing your time effectively. Joining online communities and forums can provide valuable support and advice. These allies can offer tips on overcoming obstacles and finding your footing in the online tutoring world. Developing a niche or specialization can set you apart from other tutors. It's important to identify subjects you are passionate about and excel in. Creating effective lesson plans and engaging materials tailored to your niche can enhance your students' learning experience. Facing significant challenges, such as dealing with difficult students or technical issues, is inevitable. Overcoming these obstacles requires patience and resilience. Implementing strategies to handle disruptions and maintaining a positive attitude can help you navigate these ordeals successfully. Achieving your first major success, like securing a high-paying client or having a breakthrough lesson, is incredibly rewarding. These milestones validate your efforts and boost your confidence. Celebrating these achievements motivates you to continue growing and improving as an online tutor. With a growing reputation, building a steady client base becomes crucial. Consistent effort in marketing and networking pays off. Leveraging positive reviews and client referrals can lead to more opportunities. The journey of expanding your reach is ongoing but rewarding. Transforming into a confident and skilled tutor requires resilience. Overcoming initial hurdles and gaining experience leads to personal growth. Continuous learning and adapting to new teaching methods are vital. This transformation boosts your ability to inspire and educate effectively. The benefits of online tutoring extend beyond financial gains. Enjoying a flexible schedule allows for a better work-life balance. Personal growth through teaching diverse students enriches your experience. These advantages contribute to a fulfilling and sustainable career. Encourage viewers to embark on their online tutoring journey. Taking the first step can lead to unexpected opportunities and growth. Inspire action by sharing success stories and practical tips. Invite them to engage with your content for ongoing support and insights. Reiterate the key points to reinforce the message. Leave viewers with a motivational thought to inspire their journey. Express gratitude for their time and attention. Provide contact information for further questions, fostering a sense of community and support. Encourage viewers to take the first step toward their online tutoring journey. Remind them that the initial leap can be daunting, but is crucial for success. Highlight that every expert tutor started where they are now, filled with uncertainty and excitement. Invite your audience to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. Engage with them by promising valuable, actionable content in future videos. This helps build a loyal community, eager to learn and grow together. Reiterate the main points discussed. emphasizing how online tutoring can offer financial freedom, a flexible schedule, and personal growth. Summarize the journey from overcoming initial fears to achieving significant successes. Leave viewers with a clear, concise takeaway message. End with a motivational quote or thought to inspire viewers as they embark on their tutoring journey. Choose something that resonates with the themes of perseverance and growth. This final touch can leave a lasting impact, encouraging viewers to pursue their goals. Thank the audience for watching and provide contact information for further questions. This shows appreciation and opens the door for further engagement. Encourage viewers to reach out with any queries, fostering a sense of community and support. As you continue your journey, building a reputation and expanding your client base becomes crucial. Word of mouth and positive reviews can significantly boost your profile. Networking with fellow tutors can also open up new opportunities and collaborations, further enhancing your career. Over time, you will transform into a confident and skilled tutor. This transformation comes from continuous practice and learning. Embrace feedback, both positive and constructive, to refine your teaching methods. Always strive to improve and adapt to new educational trends. Online tutoring offers immense benefits. The financial freedom allows you to set your own rates and work hours. A flexible schedule lets you balance personal commitments. Additionally, the personal growth you experience from helping others learn is incredibly rewarding. Take the first step towards your online tutoring journey today. Every step forward brings you closer to financial independence and a fulfilling career. Equip yourself with the right tools and mindset, and success will follow. Your future as a tutor awaits. Thank you for watching. Remember to stay motivated and keep improving. Feel free to reach out with any questions. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tips on making money online. A significant challenge I faced was engaging a particularly unmotivated student. Despite my best efforts, sessions felt unproductive. I researched new teaching strategies, incorporated interactive tools, and gradually saw improvements, illustrating the importance of adaptability and persistence in online tutoring. My first major success came when a student, initially struggling, passed their exams with flying colors. The joy and gratitude expressed by both the student and their parents were immensely rewarding, reaffirming my commitment to online tutoring and its impact. Building a reputation and expanding my client base was an ongoing journey. Positive reviews and word-of-mouth referrals played a crucial role. I continuously sought feedback, refined my teaching methods, and explored new platforms to reach a broader audience. Through experience and continuous learning, I transformed into a confident and skilled tutor. I embraced challenges as opportunities for growth and consistently sought ways to enhance my teaching. Staying motivated and committed to self-improvement was key to my development. The benefits of online tutoring extend beyond financial gains. Enjoying a flexible schedule allowed me to balance work and personal life effectively. The experience fostered my personal growth, honed my communication skills, and provided a fulfilling way to make a difference in students' lives. In the initial steps of becoming an online tutor, setting up profiles on platforms like VIPKid, Chegg, or Tutor.com is essential. These platforms connect you with potential students and provide a structured environment to showcase your skills and expertise effectively. Finding clients and setting rates can be challenging initially. Joining online communities and forums can offer valuable support and advice. These allies provide insights and tips that help you navigate the complexities of establishing your online tutoring career. Developing a niche or specialization is crucial for standing out in the competitive online tutoring market. Creating effective lesson plans and materials tailored to your specific subject can attract more clients and ensure a higher level of engagement and success. A significant challenge might arise, such as dealing with difficult students or technical issues. Overcoming these obstacles requires patience and strategic problem solving. Sharing personal experiences and strategies can be immensely helpful for others facing similar hurdles in their tutoring journey. The first major success, like securing a high-paying client, is incredibly rewarding. It marks a pivotal moment in your tutoring career, boosting confidence and motivation. This milestone exemplifies the potential of online tutoring to provide financial and personal fulfillment. Finding clients and setting rates can be daunting. Initial challenges often include market competition and time management. Utilize online communities and resources to gain insights and support. These allies can provide guidance and encouragement, helping you navigate the early stages successfully. Specializing in a niche is crucial for standing out. Create effective lesson plans tailored to your target audience. Focus on delivering high-quality sessions that address specific needs. This approach will attract dedicated clients and enhance your reputation as an expert tutor. Facing significant challenges is inevitable. Overcoming them builds resilience. Whether dealing with difficult students or technical glitches, adaptability is key. Develop strategies for troubleshooting and conflict resolution to maintain a smooth tutoring experience and ensure student satisfaction. Your first major success marks a pivotal moment in your tutoring journey. Whether it's securing a high-paying client or delivering a breakthrough lesson, this achievement validates your efforts. Celebrate this milestone as it motivates continued growth and solidifies your confidence as a tutor.